start the lecture series of the Mathematics 1. Today our topic is binomial series. In last session we have discussed about the Maclaurin series and it is proved by the Taylor series. So today we are start from the binomial series. For the binomial series, first of all we introduce the power series as a formation. If a function f of x is infinitely differentiable at open interval containing a point a, then it can be expressed as a power series in power of x minus a as f of x equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinite a x minus a raised to n. And if we have explored this series, we get a0, a1, x minus a, a2, x minus a whole square, x minus a whole cube up to x minus a raised to k. It is equation 1 where a0 to ak are constant coefficient. Now find the coefficient of a0, a1 and ak. So we will take f of x as a0 plus a1 x minus a, a2 x minus a whole square. Putting f of a equal to a, that means we get a0. Since f of x is differentiable for all of order, then differentiate f of x with respect to x. So we get f dash x equal to a1 plus a2 to a x minus a 3x minus a whole square. If we are putting f dash equal to a, then it is cancelled out. So we getting only a1. So a1 equal to f dash a upon 1 factorial. Binomial series. X plus y raised to n, nc0, x raised to n, y raised to 0, nc1, x raised to n minus 1, y raised to 1, nc2, x raised to n minus 2, y square, nc3, x raised to n minus 3, y cube. Okay, so this is the formation of the binomial series up to nc and x raised to 0, y raised to n. Now, as per the NCR formula, nc0 and ncn equal to 1. Okay, nc1 equal to n, nc2 as a formula n minus r upon r factorial, n minus 1, and that means 2 factorial, nc3 n minus 1, n minus 2 upon 3 factorial. Put all these values in equation, then we get x raised to n, nx raised to n minus 1 and n minus 1 2 factorial x raised to n minus 2 y square up to. Okay, so this is the binomial series. Now, x plus y raised to n is a different formation of the binomial series. In generalized form, x raised to n, nx raised to n minus 1 y and n minus 1 upon 2 factorial, x raised to n minus 2 y square up to. Replacing x by 1, we get 1 plus y raised to n series. If we are replacing n equal to minus 1, then we getting 1 plus y raised to minus 1 series. Replacing y minus y, we getting 1 minus y of series. And we replacing n equal to minus 1, then we getting 1 minus y minus 1 series. Equation number 2, 3, 4 and 5 are most important result of the series formations. Obtain expansion of 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x raised to 4. Okay. This expansion is not solved by the Maclaurin series. So we are obtained from the binomial series. Let y equal to 1 plus x square, 1 plus x raised to 4. Then it's write like 1 plus x square into 1 plus x raised to 4 raised to minus 1. Now 1 plus x square, what is the series formation of the 1 plus x raised to 4? If we are taking x raised to 4 equal to x, then it is 1 minus x raised to 4 plus x square minus x cube plus x raised to 4 up to. This result is obtained from the binomial series from the last side. 1 plus x square, x raised to 4, it is x raised to 8, it is x raised to 12. Now multiplying this, we get 1 minus x square plus x raised to 8 minus x raised to 12 plus x raised to 20 into plus x square 1 minus x square x raised to 4 plus x raised to 8 minus x raised to 12 up to. So first answer is 1 minus x raised to 4, x raised to 8, x raised to 12, x raised to 20. And for multiplying this, x square into 1, x square into x raised to 4, x raised to 6, x square into x raised to 8, x raised to 10, and x raised to 12 into x square, it is x raised to 14, then x raised to 20. Add two term series, we get 1 x raised to 4, first x square, then x raised to 4, then minus x raised to 6, then x raised to 8, plus x raised to 10 minus x raised to 12 up to. By the differentiation and integration, prove log sec x equal to x square by 2 plus x raised to 4 by 12 plus x raised to 6 by 45 plus up to. Now y equal to log sec x, equation 1, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to 1 by sec x into sec x tan x. So sec x cut, getting dy by dx equal to tan x. Now what is the series of tan x? Maclaurin series of tan x is x plus x cube by 3, 2 by 15, x raised to 5 up. Integrating equation 2 with respect to x. So we get y. What is the integration? X is x square by 2, x cube by 3 is x raised to 4 by 12, x raised to 6 by 45 plus c as an arbitrary constant. Now from equation 1, if we put x equal to 0, then it gives y equal to 0 in equation 3. We have 0, 0, 0, 0 formation, c equal to 0. So from equation 3, we get y equal to this series. Now, by the substitution method, show tan inverse under root 1 minus x 1 plus x equal to this series. Now, solution, y equal to tan inverse under root 1 minus x and 1 plus x. Substitute x equal to cos theta. Because of trigonometry, this formation is suitable for this form. Tan inverse 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. We are using here the supposition method of the integration. Y equal to tan inverse under root 1 minus cos 2 theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay, so tan inverse is 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta and 2 cos square theta. So we get tan inverse tan theta because of 2 cut, sin square by cos square is tan square and under root tan square theta is tan theta. So tan inverse into tan theta, we get only theta. What is cos inverse x? From this 2 theta. So theta equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So we get y equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 1 under root 1 minus x square. This is a differentiation of the tan x. Minus 1 by 2, 1 minus x square minus raised to minus 1 by 2. Series of this form 1 minus y raised to n, put this series, we get minus 1 by 2 as it is 1. See, if we have n equal to minus 1 by 2, then we getting n, so minus 1 by 2. What is our y? It is x square. What is our n? Minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 for 2 factorial, y is x square. Solve this series, we get in this formation. Integrate with respect to x, we get minus 1 by 2 x cube by 6 plus 3 raised to x raised to 5 upon 40 up to plus c as an arbitrary constant of equation 2. From equation 1, when x equal to 0 gives y equal to 1 by 2 into pi by 2 equal to pi by 4. Y equal to here 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Okay. So if we are putting pi by 2, 1 by 2 cos inverse pi by 2 is pi by 2. Then we get it pi by 4. Put in equation 2. We get pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 c 0 0. So we get constant value as a pi by 4. So from equation 2, last answer of the y is minus 1 by 2 plus x cube plus x raised to 5 upon 40 plus pi by 4. So answer of this series tan inverse under root 1 minus x 1 plus x is answer.